Hi students, welcome to today's class. In today's class, I will be teaching you one sum, how to prepare capital account. Okay, we will move to question number 2, page number 112. I will show the question on the screen, just watch the screen and then we will move to the sum. From the following information, prepare capital accounts of partners Reuben and Derry. When the capitals are fixed, capital on 1st April 2018, 70,000, 50,000. Current account on 1st April 2018, 25,000, 15,000. Additional capital introduced, 18,000, 16,000. Drawings, 10,000, 6,000. Interest on drawings, 500, 300. Share of profit, 35,000, 25,800. Interest on capital, 3,500, 2,500. Salary, 18,000. Commission, only for the first partner it is given, that is 12,000, and for the second partner it is nil. So you are asked to prepare capital account of the partners Reuben and Derry. So what method is given there? It is given fixed capital method. So under fixed capital method, how many accounts you are going to prepare? You are going to prepare 2 accounts. What are the 2 accounts? Capital account and current account. Okay. So we will see how to prepare capital account and then we will move on to current account. Question number 2. Fixed capital method. Capital account so put the date, then particulars, then 2 partners are there, Reuben, Derry, 2 partners. Okay. So here also put date, particulars, Reuben, Derry, rupees. Okay children, you have to prepare partners capital account. So this is the format, date, particulars, and then you have to put the partner's name, the 2 amount columns. Then you see the question, the opening balance of capital account. So here when you are preparing the capital account, what you are going to do? You are going to bring down only the capital balance and if there is any additional capital. Okay. So bring down the capital 14 2018 by balance brought down. Okay. So how much is the balance, opening balance? 70,000, 50,000. Next, what is given? Current account balance is given. That current account balance you must not show here. After that, what is given? Additional capital is given. Take the additional capital. Okay. So additional capital, when it is introduced, you see the date there. Date is not given there. Additional capital. So you write like this: by bank. By bank account, 18,000, 16,000, 18,000 and 16,000. Okay. Now in this capital account, have written the opening balance of the capital and the additional capital introduced. So nothing else should be written here. So you close the capital account. See, the total is 88,000 and 66,000. Then put the opening balance is 1/4/2018. So closing balance will be 31/3/2019, next year. So here you write to balance carried down 88,000, 66,000. Then bring down the balance 66,000, 88,000, put the total, then bring down the balance. So here what is the date? 1/4, again it is 2019. So by balance brought down 88,000, 66,000. Okay. So in partners capital account, what you have to do? First bring down the capital. Why I am writing on the credit side? Because all liabilities have credit balance. Capital is a liability. Okay. So bring down the opening balance, then bring the additional capital introduced. Add both, take it to the debit side, again bring it down to the credit side. Understood, children? This is how we have to prepare the capital account. Okay. Next you have to find out the current account, partners current account. Under fixed capital method, all the adjustments have to be shown in the partners current account. So what is the format of this partners current account? Again you put the date, the particulars, and then the two partners name. Same thing you put it on the credit side also. Okay. Now current account. Current account, what is the balance given there? It is given on the credit side. So since it is given on the credit side, where you have to put? You have to put it on the credit side. So write it here. What is the opening balance? 1/4/2018 by balance brought down. So for current account, the balance is 25,000 and 15,000. The balance brought down is 25,000 and 15,000. Since it is given as credit, CR, I have written on the credit side. Sometimes it will be given debit or DR, then you have to put it on the debit side. Okay. Drawings. So one thing which is very clear, in partners current account on the debit side, always drawing should be on the debit side. Why? Because when the partner is drawing, he is drawing from the capital. When he is drawing from the capital, what happens? The capital gets reduced, decreased. That is why we are showing it on the debit side. Okay. Two drawings. Drawings is 10,000, 6,000. Okay. After drawings, what is there? Interest on drawings. On the debit side, we will always have two items. One is drawings and the other one is interest on drawings. It is very easy to keep in mind. Okay. So write to interest on drawings. How much that is? 500, 300. Next is share of profit. So we write here by share of profit. By share of profit 35,000, 25,800. Next, interest on capital by interest on capital. how much that is? Interest on capital 3,500, 2,500. Okay. Next, salary only for the second partner it is given by salary. For the first partner nothing, put dash. Only for the second partner how much? 18,000. Put 18,000. Then commission. Commission is given for the first partner 12,000. Second partner put a dash. Okay. Now put the total. Which side is greater? Credit side is greater. So put the total. So here 75,500 and here. So here 61,300. Okay. So now credit side is greater, take it to the debit side. So right here 2, balance, carry it down. 75,500 minus 10,500, that will give you 65,000. So 65,000, put the total here. 75,500. Same way 61,300 minus this 6,300, that will give you 55,000. Okay, put the total here. 61,300. Put a circle for the balance, bring it down here. So when you are bringing it down, 1/4/2019. Okay, so right here by balance brought down. So what is the brought down balance? 65,000 and 55,000. Hope you understood, children, how to prepare the current account, bring down the current account balance, and on the debit side always only two items will be there. What are they? Drawings and interest on drawings. Okay, and all the other adjustments, share of profit, interest on capital, salary, commission, all the other adjustments show it on the credit side. Find which side is greater, put the balance and then bring it down. Okay. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.